Hey, good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is enjoying today's day. It's such a beautiful and bright day. And I am here today to show you a new listing, and it is available just now. Yesterday, it came out to the market. It is a stock townhouse in Mississauga area, in Erin Mills area. You can take a look at the website. As you can see, 55 2035 southmillway.com. It's the address for the website. You can go there and look at all of the details. We are not still able to do an open house with people coming in and out. Of course, we are still taking care of each other, staying at home as much as possible for us realtors. We are doing the best we can to keep everyone in that regard safe. And if we have to do a showing, we have to be very careful. First, we have to fill up a questionnaire from the brokerage where we work and send it over to the brokerage of the seller and have a confirmation of no issues about health, not having traveled in the last 14 days. And all of those details are part of this questionnaire that we have to fill up before showing any property. And the same is with the viewing, like if I have a seller that wants to list their home, I do have to make sure that the seller is also filling up a form before I can come to their house if I have to come. But also we have a virtual way to doing this. When somebody wants to list the property, we have first a virtual call where I will be looking at the house first, and then if needed, I will have to go. If I have to go, I will have to go with the mask and my gloves, and the people in the house will be out of the house for me to come and take a very quick look at the house. And they won't be there, but we have a way to do it virtually through Zoom platform. It's one of the ways, and it's happening. That's how business is done these days, through different virtual platforms that we use. Everything can be done electronically. So the same happened with this listing. We had a conversation in the Zoom platform, and we discussed all of the details of their seller situation. And here we are looking at this property today. It is actually, it's been a very busy time for the sellers. We have been getting people coming in, as I mentioned, with all the precautions. But here is an updated townhouse. You can see the kitchen. It is a beautiful kitchen, and they have done the ceramic tiles, the backsplash, the appliances, the cabinets, the flooring in the main floor. And we have 3 bedrooms upstairs with 1 full washroom and actually a powder room in the main floor. So you have 1 full washroom and 1 powder room in the main floor. And it is a very nice area, actually, very good area with regards to transportation, in regards to traffic, in regards to highways. You have access to the QW and the 403 very easily. And this is a second entrance. Every building with these circumstances needs to have a second exit. It is a building of 3 stories only, so that's a very convenient thing to have. You don't have a high number of levels of stories up. So, and this is on the top floor actually, so you don't have neighbors on top of you making some noise. It is very, very good, very good starting home. And if you are a small family or you are an investor looking to buy a home for a rental property, this can be also a very easy to rent home, very practical. The bathroom is updated as well, as you can see when we go in. This is a way to view homes when you are looking seriously to buy a home. This is very convenient because you can see from the convenience of your computer, you can see everything inside the house. I might be hosting as well a virtual open house this weekend. You will be getting invitations for that. And that means that I will be at the house, and if you have any details of the house that you'd like to see, I will be able to show it to you. At this moment, I just want to make sure you know of this house and you know it is for sale, and you can look at the main things of the house. You can click around yourself at your own pace. I will leave a note with the website for this house, and you can take a look again. But for now, I just want to make sure you keep yourself safe. And if you have any questions about the real estate market, what is happening, what will happen, we don't have a crystal ball, but we have some information that it could be very useful for you if you are thinking of selling or buying. For now, this is it for me, and I appreciate you taking the time to take a look at this small video. See you soon. Bye-bye.